t-shirt throughout the video as well.
The fact you said you had to keep eating.
Look, Teal doesn't stop. I stop at one point. Teal keeps going.
And yeah, I'm working with my cousin again. KG's food stop. There's gonna be some Christmas light thing later. That's why we're here. Apparently a bunch of people come out to this little village to see the lights for Christmas, as it is November 30th. So now it's acceptable. Anything earlier than now was just like, what are you doing? Like when that woman was singing Christmas songs on November 9th. Calm down, love. Hopefully get a little bit of footage for y'all, and I'll see you in the next clip.
Bill and get the money like curls, they just trying to get a nut.
Yeah guys, it's been a little bit of a nightmare, fam. We literally we came here early as hell, but the thing don't even start till like 12. People are saying that it only really picks up at like 3, so on a little stroll about, seeing what else is around here. It's literally just like, it's like a shitter version of the German market basically. I've also been told to go look at the prices, see what everyone's saying. But y'all know me, I don't give a fuck about any of that. So I'm going to go look at the river, mate. Don't know if y'all can tell, but the water's moving quite fast. Interesting. But yeah, everything's down there. We are, you see KG's right there, right there. We're right there. But yeah, I want to go all the way over there though. That's where I want to go. Just waiting for a customer, guys. Do you lot remember in COVID when everyone was getting stuck up with these, fam? To niggas' foreheads. What's your temperature, G? What is your temperature, mate? Depending on the answer, you may or may not be allowed in the building. Right. Real shit. I think sometimes salt ruins fries and chips and shit. I think a lot of fries are okay without salt, but chips, big things, need salt on that stuff. So yeah guys, if you ever want to come check this out, KG's food stop. They'll be at events. If anyone likes Warhammer, I don't think anyone does that will watch this, but if anyone likes Warhammer, even if you don't and you just want the food, just type in the Warhammer event, pull up, come see me, come get some food from KG's food stuff. Great advertisement, guys. Give y'all, sorry it's foggy as well. Let me give y'all another rundown of the food. So we have the salad, we got the spicy rice, curry chicken, chicken strips, fries, more rice, that's all. Carbohydrates, man, carbs. Got the jerk chicken. Here's the sauce for the jerk chicken. And here's the chickpea curry, which is at the back because most people don't be having chickpea curry. But yeah. Everyone just, it's like at first everyone just comes, they see, they look at the menu and then they keep walking. But they're bro, it always happens. They always circle back. Plus, some guy was here being like the best fucking hype man. I was like, Ken, we should hire him. Just make him always buy the first meal and then just overly hype it up to everyone. So he knows everyone, so he's pretty much going around just telling everyone, KG, KG. That shit's lit. So when it starts to pick up, because it's only like, I think it's only like 11:45 now. So when it starts to pick up, more people start filing in. Later the afternoon gets, won't be able to even move, mate. Probably won't even be able to record, to be honest. But yeah, that's it for now. The only thing about that job is like, this job, I have to like smile all day, tend to like leave people and be happy. I just stand there like this. Would have stabbed your mum in her. Quite underwhelming, mate.
Subscribe, nigga.